I've been underneath and there's no nut underneath to move, so it is a captive nut, but it doesn't want to come out. Let's get rid of those ones a bit. Can't see anything under there. Dee 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 dee. Don't really want to angle grind it off. Seems a bit silly. But if it won't come out, it won't come out. And it won't come out. The other side. That's just going around in circles, that one. Try and grip it. Right, so I've pulled the bloody thing through the floor. Alright, that's all off. That one's still there, but that can come out in a bit. That means the floor should be loose. Fingers crossed, eh? It looks alright under here, you know. There's a lot of damp down this end. I'll show you the boards. Look. There's a lot of damp and mould this end. Money, but it all looks solid. Money. Yeah, very happy with that. Now let's try and get this wheel arch off. Just clip on, does it? Oh, fantastic. I was worried about under here. But again, that looks pretty damn good. Look at that. This is a 15-year-old Transit. Fantastic. Oh, I'll go to the other side. Let's have a look at the other side. have a look at this one. Oh, again, solid 2008 Transit. And that's it there. Rub that back. Oh, well happy with that. Awesome. Right, that's it. That's it for today. We're going out tonight, so I need to go and have a shower, get cleaned up, and then I'll crack on again tomorrow. Get it all swept out. Yeah. Installation and sound deadening turned up today, so that's all ready to go. Got a while yet, I know, but tomorrow get it all swept out, get these sideboards off, see what it's like in behind there. But so far, very clean, very happy. Yeah, so in 2 seconds it'll be tomorrow. 2, 1. Right, continuity check. Beer's gone. It's now obviously, well, it's 2 days later actually. Yesterday didn't do a great deal, went to the dump, got rid of all the roofline panels and bits and pieces. Today I'm going to grind. Right, new battery in the camera. Right, I was saying I'm going to grind all these bolts down to the floor, and I think the ones that I managed to get the bolts out of, I'm going to bolt back in and grind them back so that the holes are filled up. That'll save another job. And then it needs to be clean. Oh, I need to get the side panels off. Those side panels need to come off. Right, I need to go and get some more cutting discs, because that isn't ideal. And I've got a few more to do. Right, got 5 cutting discs, pack of jigsaw blades for focus sheet metal, aluminium, MK7. Look at those prices, look fantastic. And hammerite. So those bits give you a clue as to what the next job's going to be. But yeah, let's get home, crack on. Right, so I'm not entirely sure what I've recorded and what I haven't. GoPro's playing up. I have ordered a couple of new batteries, thinking that might be why the GoPro's freezing all the time, but I don't know, not until they get here. But anyway, it is now 5:20. I've not really got much further than earlier. I've seen this insulation thing, it's like a cushion. There's 4 of those that were in the side panels at the back here. Just these 2. No insulation anywhere else, just these 2 back panels. But anyway, that's all out. I did find a bit of rust there, so I've gone over that with Cure Rust. Did that about 2 o'clock, hence why it's 5:20 now, because now I can paint over it. And I'll start a new job tomorrow, so this project is going to be sort of sporadic. Saturdays, if I'm not doing overtime, Sundays possibly, evenings, don't know, but it's going to be a bit more sporadic from now on anyway, unfortunately. But let's get this bit painted, and then I think that'll be it for the day. see that. Oh, excuse me. You can see that, can't you? Hang on, where's my mat gone? Oh, that's better. There we go, nice easy job done. That's it for the day. I'm going to go and edit this together so you can watch it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Cheers and gone.